weighted average cost of capital. Jargon. For those of you who are wondering the jargons, one of the last few jargons I want to introduce, explore. When Mr. Mayank was calculating NPV, Pawan sir said, "Arey WACC lena hai yaar tum." WACC, what is WACC? Weighted average cost of capital. What is weighted average cost of capital? I'll again take 2 minutes and I want to involve Sharad sir in this discussion. Sharad sir, out of this 20 million, right, I just need a response, sir, senior. Out of this 20 million, 10 million out of this 20 million, 10 million, you are getting it at 9%. Okay, let me make it as a case to simplify it. See, I go to Mr. Pranav, he says, "Mr. Menon, I know you very well, I'll give you a loan at 9%. But I have only 10 million to lend to you, but I need 20. So I go to Mr. Arun and say, "Can you lend 10 million? He is kind enough to say, "Yes, I'll lend." But Mr. Arun does not know me that well. I hope I'm simplifying it. So what he says is, "Mr. Menon, I don't know you that well. So what I'm going to do is, I'll make it more easier for you, sir, right? 9%. For you, I'll still lend, provided you pay me 13%. So 10 million, I got it from a friend at 9%. Another friend, unfortunately, I got it at 13%. What is my average cost, sir? Nahin jama, sir? No problem, sir. Maybe my example was not good enough. Let's take this as 10% and 12%. Sir has been quiet throughout. I just want to connect. Thank you. You took an average, sir. And Pranav, but then, okay, that goes without saying, right? You took an average. Some of you all quickly got the first case right, but that was expected. Sir, you took the average. Now what I'm doing is, now I'm taking this as 12 and 8. You still will calculate average. Only thing is you're going to calculate WACC. Weighted average, that's it. 12 into 10% plus 8 into 12% divided by 12 plus 8. Please note, a weighted average cost of capital is different sources of funding. As simple as that. Two concepts. You may, here I have taken loans from two friends. I may decide that 12 million will be my debt. 8 million will be my equity. In which case, I am going back to a very important decision. How am I funding this 20? How am I funding this 20 minus 20? Because I am spending. Depending on the capital structure. Here I have some, this is for you also, sir. Always a pleasure. Sir, please note, then you have to estimate what is this cost of equity. Concept remains same, you will calculate WACC. But the cost of equity, humble request, in all Indian transactions, please note, cost of equity, I am going to rub this, yeah, this is WACC. Cost of equity is going to be, I want to keep all the three for you all, so I am going to use this space here. Cost of equity in India, equity is obviously costlier than debt, that goes without saying. What I am going to look at some friends and say is, for your calculations, cost of equity, please take it in the range of 20 to 24%. That's the accepted industry norm. That's the accepted industry norm. I am not getting into beta and CAPM and all that, right? I'll be open to talk about that, but I'm not getting into that. But I only wanted to tell you all that. If you are saying equity, Pranavji, please use a figure, sir, between Ashishji, between 20 and 24%. Anything less than 20%, these colleagues will ask questions. Anything more than 24%, your client will not like it, because you are adding up his cost. 20, I can derive it for you, sir, but I'm not getting into derivation. I came here to look at a colleague, so this is nothing but your CAPM, capital asset pricing model. I'm not getting into capital asset pricing model. I need to tell you all that cost of equity, if you say equity 8 million, take the range as 20 to 24%. Please note, debt adjusted for tax. and then you will get it somewhere in the range of 7 to 10% or whatever, adjusted for tax, adjusted for tax. Before I take questions, I saw some hands up, which is always a pleasure. I also want to say something, sir. So WACC, one last time. WACC stands for weighted average cost of capital. When you calculated NPV, you used WACC, weighted average cost of capital. Mr. Sharad answered how we took the weights. I changed the numbers and I said this time I'm going to finance through equity. Moment I said I'm going to finance through equity, then all that you need to ask is what is cost of equity? Cost of equity will be in the range of 20 to 24%. Having said this, ma'am, please note, sir, please note, and I think your organization, I'm not sure, but I have seen some group companies use it of your esteemed organization. Hindustan Lever definitely does it. MNCs do it. They don't use WACC. They use what is known as hurdle rate. Some more jargons, last few jargons.